the ocean. I'm at the bottom of the sea.
Lovely stuff. So let me know in the comments, guys, what you think about the drone footage and Dad's mowing so far. I'm expecting a good 500-600 bales more out of this, and we've still got 300 odd so to get off the top of the top. So I'm trying to capture some footage for you guys down on the ground. These past couple of weeks I've been fighting off a chest infection. I've been on antibiotics, pain relief, asthma pumps. Yeah, so doing what I can. Including obviously bringing bales in as well. Off camera there's a lot of bringing tractors up, getting bales loaded up, getting them in the barn as well. So it's all pretty tiring. I think I've recorded about 7 videos now as a guest, and I might only feature 5 or 6. So you've got to capture as much footage as you can and try and edit it, get the right footage you want for your channel. So there's a lot of stuff that goes on in the background. Obviously, if I'm out here, say 9 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock at night, where do I get these videos up and done? So I've managed to get some transferred on this morning, and I'll try and get as many out as I can. blew my face. There he is.
That's a small one.
Okay. Got him. Got him. No, where is he? Got him.
Don't stir them up, they will bite you.
What? Hey, he bit me already.
They're all fine.
Hang on, I'll get him this time. There he goes.
All fine.
So that is me done with the mowing on the tops. Dad's got a few more runs to go. I'm going to leave this video here. So please drop us a comment down below what you think on Dad's mowing with the class mower and the consistency of our grass here. We're doing a good 100 bales plus an acre. It's really good yield at the minute. So if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell for notifications on our journey so you can catch up with all these videos. I've got so many coming out right now. I'm hoping we can be back out getting the Ford, do some hay turning on this field, and we'll also be back out again with the baling video again. So that'll be baling video number 3. I can't wait to get these out for you guys. Keep getting that drone up in the sky. So the rest of the day for me now looks like getting the other 300 odd bales off of the top field there. It's just going to be a bit of a nightmare because it's only really me and my mum and occasionally my dad and the odd pair of hands when you get it here and there from my brother and that. So we'll see what happens. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in our next video. Take care.